Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to enable Secure Boot and TPM 2.0 on your Windows 11 PC, which is essential if you're getting errors like VAN 9001 or VAN 9003 when trying to launch Valorant. Now, before we begin, just a heads up, we'll be diving into your PC's BIOS. It's important to be careful here because changing the wrong settings can lead to problems. Also, depending on your motherboard, your BIOS interface might look a little different. But the general process is quite similar. To start, you'll need to restart your PC and access the BIOS by pressing either the F2 key or the delete key during the initial boot screen. Once inside, some systems will land you in what's called easy mode. If that's the case, you'll want to press F2 again to switch into advanced mode, where more settings are available. From there, you'll need to navigate to a tab labeled something like Advanced, Security, or Trusted Computing. This is where the TPM settings are usually located. The terminology can vary depending on your hardware. Some common labels to look for include Security Device, Security Device Support, TPM State, AMD FTPM Switch, AMD, PSP FTPM, Intel PTT, or Intel Platform Trust Technology. It's totally normal to see AMD options on Intel systems and vice versa, so don't worry too much about that. Once you find the correct setting, make sure it's enabled or set to auto. After that, you'll want to look for the Secure Boot setting, which is often found under the Boot or Security tab. Make sure that's turned on as well. With those settings adjusted, press F10 to save and exit the BIOS. Your system will reboot and return to Windows. To make sure everything worked, press the Windows key and Enter together to open the Run window. Type in tpm.msc and hit Enter. A new window should appear showing you the status of TPM. If it says TPM is ready and lists version 2.0, then you're good to go now. Launch Valorant again, and it should work without any of those startup errors. Vanguard now has the Secure Boot and TPM requirements it needs to function properly. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, feel free to leave a like or subscribe for more tech tutorials.